Hello friends, this is astrologer Shweta. I'll be giving you the predictions of the week starting from 26 August to 1st September 2013. Prediction for Aries. Start your day with a glass of water as you'll be very high tempered this week, especially at your workplace. Emotionally, you'll be very depressed and disturbed, and you'll be very confused between yourself and your work. Wear white for the important meetings and drink a lot of water. Your financially will be sound, but your relationship may get spoiled if you don't control your temper at the right time. So please watch out for that. Your lucky colors will be white and red, and your lucky number will be 1 and 4. Prediction for Taurus. You're very close to your family and friends this week, but your work commitments are not allowing you to do so. Give yourself some good time so that you can utilize it very well, because your life is more important than your work. Financially, you're doing great, money is coming in your way, but there are some chances that your relationship may get spoiled this week, so please take care of that. Your lucky numbers are 2 and 6, and your lucky color will be green and orange. Prediction for Gemini. Geminis are going very fortunate this week as Jupiter is sitting in your house and Mercury is sitting in second house with Sun. You're fortunate in every terms, be it relationship, finance, career, or your personal life. Enjoy this week, enjoy your life, spend some good time with your mother and with your friends also. Your lucky color will be green and yellow. Your lucky numbers are 3 and 5. Prediction for Cancer. Cancerians are very much involved in their career as their career has become their second life. Their intelligence and their smartness will take them very ahead in life if it worked or if it used properly in a right way and in a right direction. Emotionally, they are very strong and very focused. They know their target and they know how to achieve it. They know very well what they have to do in their life, and they are on their own ways. Financially, they are doing very well. They are very strong financially this week. They should spend some good time with their kids as their kids needs them. Their lucky color will be red and their lucky number will be 4 and 8. Prediction for Leo. Leos are going very strong this week as the owner of the house, the Sun, is sitting in his own house along with Mercury, which is the owner of the third and the sixth house. So there will be some financial loss in the weekend, so please take care of that and do not do any big investment. There is some secret love relationship is taking place in your life, so this new relationship may be a good thing in your life, but then too please take care of it, but because some problems may occur in the future. Your lucky number will be 6 and 3, and your lucky color will be yellow and green. Prediction for Virgo. Virgos are very lucky this week, especially in finance terms. Their family life is doing very great. You should spend some very good time with your family and friends. If you're thinking about investment, invest in real estates and in automobile. Spend some good time with your mother especially. There will be some financial loss in the weekend, so please take care of that. And there may be some health issues related to your head and brains, so please take care of that too. Your lucky number will be 3 and 9, and your lucky color will be green. Prediction for Libra. If you're thinking about the investment, please do invest in real estates and in automobile. If you're planning to buy a new car or a new bike, prefer black or white. Financially, you're doing good, money is coming in your way, and you should more focus on your career and in your work rather than focusing on your love life, as this love life will not be giving you anything in life, and this relationship will not even last long, so please take care of that. Your lucky numbers will be 7 and 1, and your lucky color will be red and black. Prediction for Scorpio. Scorpios are very intelligent and smart this week when it comes to their career and their money. Money is coming in their way. Their health will be in some trouble this weekend, and they have to take care of their face as they are prone to an accident where they can injure their face. They should spend some good time with their kids and their family. The relationship with their friends and families are going very well, and that's all. Just enjoy your week, and your lucky number will be 8 and 4, and your lucky color will be white and red. Prediction for Sagittarius. Sagittarius are very lucky this week as the lord of the house, Jupiter, is watching it directly from the 12th house. Financially, they are very strong, money is coming in their pocket, but there are some losses may occur in this week. so please take care of that. Your health will be having some issues related to blood, so you have to take care of your health too. Your relationship will be very great. Spend some very good time with your friends and the people who loves you. They will help you to guide in your life. So enjoy this week, and lucky color will be green and red, and your lucky number will be 9 and 3. Prediction for Capricorn. Capricorns are very concerned about their career and their relationship. But their career life, their financial life and their relationship life is not so pleasing this week. They're feeling very depressed and worried about their future. They're planning to invest in automobile and in real estate. They're planning to buy a new car or a new bike. They should prefer a black color. The lucky number this week will be 7 and 1, and the lucky color will be black and red. Prediction for Aquarius. Aquarians will be very lucky this week as per financially. They're earning money through their smartness and their intelligence. Their relationships are going great. Health-wise also they are doing very well. The only issue with them is the emotional satisfaction. Please control yourself, as you are lucky enough to handle your emotions on your own. Your lucky color is black and red, and your lucky number will be 2 and 7. Prediction for Pisces. You're confused between your dream and your work. You either have to choose your dream or your work. Financially you're doing very well, but you're facing some issues health-wise. Please take care of your career and your health, and believe in yourself. Your lucky number will be 3, and your lucky color is yellow and green. Thank you.